On this video, we're going to look at a way to find content ideas so that you can make more videos on YouTube. Are you stuck for content and you can't think of anything that you want to do your next video about? Try this. Go into your YouTube Studio dashboard, hit Analytics, then go to Inspiration. At the top, there's a search bar, top searches on YouTube, recent videos. These are related to what you're searching and what your channel's all about. So you can see mine. You can also open this up and get a whole list of other videos as well to give some inspiration. And then at the bottom is content gaps for shorts. Right. It's the same for top searches. You can use the arrow key and you can have a look at some other examples. For this one, we're going to go into this one here. Also gives you the most popular videos. But this is where the gold is. If you go up to the top to searched on YouTube, hit the arrow key, you can check out being searched and their volume. So if it's low volume search, medium or high. And then you can also check out content gaps. And this will tell you where the content gaps are for this specific search term. What I've been doing over the last couple of videos is actually using the content gaps that I've seen on my own inspiration tab so that I can find content that has a gap in it. Use content gaps. I'm here on my dashboard. So we need to go into Analytics and then go to Inspiration. In the Inspiration tab, it says straight away, get ideas for your next video. Pretty simple. Let's do it. First is the search bar, but we'll get back to that. Second part of it is what are people looking for? So this is what people are searching and also what you are searching. So it includes your own content and what you've been looking at. And for instance, I must have been searching for how to earn money from YouTube because it's up here. The show all, there is a whole heap of search terms that are related to that one. And there's 12. You can click on any one of these. And then if we do click, for instance, on that one, it has similar ideas, but also it gives you the videos that you can research against. There we go. If we click show all, then you had a whole heap of videos related to that search term that you were looking for. And it says, what are people watching? And then you can also filter it for long form content only or shorts. So there's shorts. We are going to go back because down here, since we clicked on that, there are top searches for this topic. And we are going to go hit show all. And it's going to give us the top searches for this topic. You'll notice that all of them are ranked. So they're either high, low, or medium volume. So that means how many searches people are making for this particular topic. So it gives you an idea what people want to watch. Then if we go to content gaps, okay, so content gaps, just to clarify, they are gaps in YouTube's videos basically. So the information that they may have about a specific topic may be outdated or doesn't have the required information that people are searching for. So this is the gaps that YouTube have noticed within that topic that need filling. And then they also rank them. And see this one, for instance, how to make money with crypto is high volume content gap for shorts. This one here would be high volume for long form content, and the same with this one. So it will give you the information for shorts and videos so you can guess which one is lacking in content. So this is really good for content ideas because it gives you an idea what people want to actually watch without having to guess. And then you can, like before, you can go and click on it. For instance, that one. And see, it's how to make an account on YouTube. And it also shows you videos. And you'll notice from these videos, once it opens, you'll notice that the content is at least a year old. In the top 3, for instance, especially for this one, this one's a year old, this one's a year, this one's 3 years. And then if we scroll down, there's one here that's 7 months, but then you jump to 4 years, 3 years, 4 years. So there's not enough like current content on this particular topic. So that's a good idea to make a YouTube video about that people are actually looking for. They actually want this content and it's telling you they want the content. If you use the search bar, like I'm going to do, I'm going to write how to make slime. Oh, look, here we go. How to make slime. And then down here, which is awesome, is create an outline. And yet it is AI generated, but it makes your life so much easier. So in here, it's already popped up all of these. You can use these for content ideas. So you can build off this outline, and it also gives you a starting block. So it says 3 different types of edible slime, and it gives you 3 different types right there that you can build a content idea out of and build a video, which is the main thing, is build a video. And also it gives you different things. So perfect for parties and events, fun and sensory play, easy to follow instructions. So that's awesome. So you've watched the 2 methods in which to use the inspiration tab and using content gaps. Content gaps are great because they already show that people are looking for information in a specific topic and what they're looking for. You just need to pick up a camera and actually make content that fits that. So if you aim for a high volume topic, then there is a significant chance that you will get more views on YouTube. In my opinion, the PC version is better to use because you get that outline, which is AI generated, and it's free. You know, it's free. It makes it easier for you to actually come up with the content that you want to produce. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. That would be fantastic. And I will catch you on the next video.